Hey guys, Dwayne here. I got a new piece of gear and I wanted to share it with you. This is a utility knife. Uses a standard utility knife blade. It's made by a company called Screwpop tool. Very nifty little tool. Let's get into the review. Okay, here we have the little baggie it came in. Yeah, no big deal. This is probably the smallest little utility knife that you can get. It's designed to go on your keys. Dimensions are 3 1/8 inches long from end to end. It's 13/16 of an inch this way wide, so less than an inch wide, and it's 3/16 of an inch thick on the thickest part. Weight is less than an ounce. It's like 0.8 ounces. Basically what you do, it's got this little lever here. Push this up, and that allows you to slide the blade out. That's the lock, basically. Then you can slide the blade out. Some of these blades, you can use any standard utility blade. You can get them at Home Depot or Walmart or whatever. This one has 4 positions. Some only have 2. Either one will work. This one gives you a little more adjustability. You know, you push this back in and it goes into one of those notches. Okay, now you have what, about an inch of cutting edge. Pretty nifty, huh? And if you don't need that much, you can use less. And the least amount of blade is just the tip of the blade. But you can still do scoring and such in that position. It also has a magnet here to keep it from rattling. That holds the blade in place. But this is the lock. You want both when this is in your pocket. Okay. Neat design. This lever goes around the magnet, so it can only go up and down so far. It also has a bottle opener. Personally, I have not needed a bottle opener in decades. I think even if you drink beer, most beers have screw-off tops. But whatever. It's a bottle opener. I would kind of like to see maybe a pry bar instead of the bottle opener. I'm not sure how they would do that. But anyway. Very slim, very minimal, but it does exactly what it's supposed to do. I did take this to work last night and cut up some boxes just for fun, and it works fine. I will say, if you cut boxes like all day long, like as your job, you're gonna want more of a handle. Okay, this is meant to be minimal. It's meant to be a keychain tool, and it is exactly that. But if you're using it all day long, you're gonna want something with a handle. Anyway, neat design. It's just flawless. It just does exactly what it's supposed to do and no more. I'm very impressed. I recommend this. I will leave a link to the Screwpop tool website in the video description. Check them out. Tell them Dwayne sent you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.